When you are traveling, the road will be up and down at some place. Completely start to the end up and down, and it's not good, no? Okay. Future compatible future. Okay. Reflection is very, very easy topic. Interface confusion. Sonu Kumar. What is a confusion interface? Multi-threading at project level. Okay. How work is done in industries. Okay. This is also good work. Good one. We can consider. Hash map. Okay. Strings. DSA in Java and their application. DSA is nothing but collections for me. Enhancement of multi-threading. Okay. String handling techniques. Exceptionally as a big project level. Exceptionally is nothing there. Project level, regular program level, there is no difference. You throw keyword, you throw keyword, try catch. Nothing is there, man. Okay, Goja, Spring Boot is harder. Spring Boot is more easy than Core Java, yeah. Core Java, everything you are writing. In Spring Boot, you are not writing anything. Just you are calling the existing methods to complete your tasks, right? Spring Boot must be the most easy if you know Core Java properly. Inter-thread concept of multi-threading. Okay, concurrency, collection frame, interface, lambda, class live streaming in YouTube. Streaming or not streaming? How real-time developers set their working directory structure. Okay. Right. This is a part of how work is done in the industry. Na? Okay, done. We will plan. Anonymous class and lambda expressions. Okay. Can I learn Spring Boot parallel with advanced or should I wait? My recommendation is at least servlet first program complete, then you can go. Until servlet first program execution flow, lifecycle methods. Servlet lifecycle methods, until then you have to wait. After that, you can do advanced or Spring Boot parallel. No, sir, if you don't have time, I want to start immediately means you can start. No problem, faculty will handle that. Okay. Nice. Thank you for your inputs for planning next workshops. I will definitely plan for your request. Shortcut keys of Eclipse in Edit Plus Notepad. Okay. Notepad shortcuts, nothing there. In Edit Plus and Edit Eclipse, we have shortcuts. Okay. Fine. Super. Anything else? Shall we start this session? Okay, super. And thank you for spending your time this 1 hour. Our workshop is Java 25 new features. Okay, workshop is on Java 25 new features. Yeah, Abhishek, 25. Because there is no much differences from 21 to 25. Okay, just now I am going to include. See, that's what I am giving clarity. Okay, number of version numbers are increasing, but the features are very less. All are one version to another version, they are migrating. Okay, I'll explain it. So I recommend if anybody want to do Java certification, better do 25. I'm not use real world project, not use interface. Sonu Kumar, interface is nothing but, a screen. You are just creating one class and declaring operations. That's all. This is interface. Why you are so much worrying about interface? You find one object called vehicle or bank. Any business you take, in that business, list of operations will be there. Those list of operations you are writing as a sequential at one place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and you are saying to the compiler, array compiler, these are the list of operations. How can I tell? By using keyword. Okay, interface. Okay, for example, bank. You are writing word interface bank, open bracket, closed bracket. That's all. What is the confusion here? There is no confusion interface. You know inheritance, creating superclass and subclass, and overriding superclass methods in subclass. Sonu Kumar, in place of superclass, you are using interface. That's it. There is no difficulty in the interface. Unnecessary, somewhere you are missing the point. Interface is nothing but superclass. In superclass, you are defining the methods with huge logic. You are avoiding defining those use methods and providing just a list of methods. Okay. Sir. Okay, I'll come back your core Java questions later. Let me move on. Otherwise, time is not sufficient. Okay. Issue. Thank you. Okay, guys. Let's see. No, after seeing, you'll hear Java 25 easy or not. Okay. Sonu see. Listen. Java 25, what the two topics I want learn. Now this class timing is class time. I want to take 1 hour class. It's like 4:15. It's now time to 5:15. Okay, in this 1 hour, we can complete it. 4:15 p.m. to 1 hour session it is. Okay, okay. I will discuss that points later. Let's continue this agenda first. Okay. Okay. Let me also add Santosh, your topic. Also add that. Okay. Fine. So whatever the unique topics you have asked, I have mentioned here. I will plan workshops on this. Okay. Fine. So now come back to concentrate on this Java 25 new features. Workshop agenda is the agenda. This is the timing is 1 hour time. Okay. Now. I want you understand two topics. Okay. Java 25 version is a long-term support version. What is the release date and its history? The next Java 25 important features. Yeah. Rathod already is there. Already added. So let me type for you. Okay now. Okay now. The executor framework already there. One more time I will conduct and virtual threads I will add. Okay. And now please everyone focus. Now time is running. So this workshop is no problem, no problem. No. So okay. Yeah, I'll explain that point also. I'll explain. Please, all people focus. So today workshop is only on. Please, everyone focus. Workshop on Java 25 new features. Today I'm taking only Java 25 new features. Okay, other features we will conduct next coming classes. Okay, why 25 features? Because there is some important points are there you should know. Okay, that's why I'm going to talk. Basic level important points are there. And also you can start telling Java is also more simple. Okay. Okay. Abhinandan, I can see your chat. Just you focus on what I'm teaching. Okay. Other people chat messages not required. Okay. It's a workshop. Lot of problems will be there if I give everyone option. So please focus. People will get disturbances. Workshop on Java 25 new features. Class time is 4:15 to 5:15. Agenda. Two topics I want to cover. Java 25 LTS version release date and Java 25 version important new important features. Okay, first let me explain about Java 25 version release date. First, very important point you have to understand. Look at here. Java 25 LTS. What is the meaning of LTS? Long term support. Long term support. What is the meaning of long term support? Listen. Here, all people know the version called Java 8 now. Okay. Companies are also using Java 8. After Java 8, you got 9 version and then you got 10 version. Then after we got Java 11 version. After 11 version, we got 12 to 16 version. And then we got Java 17 version. After Java 17 version, we have 18 to 20 version. Okay. Then later we got Java 21 version, 22 to 24 version. Okay. Then we got Java 25 version now. Listen, whenever a new version released, if previous version is still available for download, use and develop the projects, then that version is called long-term support version. Long-term term, TRM term. Okay. What is the Mr. Narendra Modi term for as a PM? 5 years. Right? Then now after 5 years, again elections will come. If he won, again continue as a PM. Isn't it? Term means from where to where. That's it. So here long-term support means once the next releases are coming, previous release is still available to download, to develop the project and providing the support to fix the issues. Then we call that version as what? Long-term support version. Listen, here 9, 10, 12 to 16, 18 to 20, 22 to 24, these versions are called non-long-term support version. What is the meaning of non-long-term support version? Listen, 9 version is released. After 9, we got 10. Then 9 version not available to download. If you are forcibly downloading and using for developing projects, if you got some issue, if you report to the Oracle Corporation for fixing that issue, they simply say, sorry, 9 version is already announced end of the life. End of the life means they are not in use. Get out? You migrate your version to the next version 10. If 10 version, if you have any problem, if still the same problem there in the 10 version, let me know. So if the new version is released in the market, if old version is not available to download, not available to support, then we call it as what? Non-long-term support version. 9 and 10 are non-long-term support. Once 11 come, 10 gone. Then next, now 12 is released in the market. Is 11 still available? Yes. That's why it is called what? Long-term support. Then 12 to 16 are what? Non-long-term support versions. Now 17 came, 16 gone. Now 18 came, 17 still available. So it is a long-term support version. Then 18 to 20, non-long-term. Okay. Next 20 to 24, non-long-term support versions. Okay. Now what is the latest long-term support version? 25. Okay, then now tell me, there are 2 words I am asking. Please try to think and tell me. Number 1, what is the latest? What is the latest long-term support version? Answer is what? 25. Okay, next second, what is the stable long-term support version? Stable means there are no bugs. We can migrate to that version and use in our projects. So the recommended stable version now is 17 and people are slowly migrating to what? 21 also. Okay, 17 version if you migrate, there are no much uses. So currently companies are using 8 version. From 8 version, companies are decided to shift to what? 11 version. Okay, 11 version. Once they move to the 11 version, okay, we can have some module system, then we have some switch expression changes. Okay, but if you move from 11 to 17, some more extra features, benefits we are getting called a record. There is a concept called record and there is a concept called sealed classes. Okay, non-sealed classes. That's why now companies after migrating to Java 11, they have realized that there is no much benefit to upgrade to the 11. Let me move to the 17. Then after moving to 17, okay, now they have seen 21. 70 to 21, if I migrate, there are no much conflicts, much changes are not there. Why should I one time release to 17, next move to 21? Let me directly go to 21. Now, if you attend interviews, now people are asking questions. Do you know Java 21 version? Here Java 21 version means it's not just, you install Java 20 JDK version, you install JDK 20 version, all your programs are developing, compiling, executing by using Java 21 version means it's not, Java 21 version. So from Java 9 version, 9 to 21 version, what are the new features are added? All new features based POCs you must able to develop. Test programs, demo programs are technically called what? POCs, proof of concept. For example, now there is in Java 9 version, we have a module system. Okay, how to develop a program using module system? What are the pros and cons? Demonstrating one program you have to develop. Then you can say, yes, I know Java 21 new features. Java 21 new features means not just Java 21, from Java 9 version onwards up to 21, whatever the new features release, everything you should know. Is it clear? Then if you claim, I know Java 25, that means from Java 9 version to Java 25, every single feature you should know. Then sir, why you are not telling 8, sir? Array, 8 version already using in the company, na? That means by default company expecting, what, minimum Java 8 version. After Java 8 version, if you mention, then they are expecting 9 version to 25 version, all features you must know. So first point, hope all the people understand. What is the first point? Long-term support version, non-long-term support version related points. I clearly documented here with including release date. Observe here, what is this? Observe, I want to ask one question after this table. Carefully observe. Version number, long-term support version number I am asking. 8, 11, 17, 21, 25. Okay. In which year Java 8 released? March 18, 2014. My childhood. Okay. After 14, then 2014 to 2008. How many years? 4 years. Okay. After 4 years, Java 11 version came for a 14 to 18. Oh, sorry. It's wrong. Correct only, na? Next. Then next. Now, Java 17 released when? 21. 18, 19, 20. Okay. When Java 21 is released? 14 to 18. Okay. It's almost 14, 15, 16, 17, 4 years now. Right? Next. Tell me now. 21, 18, next version 17 released in 21 year. Next 21 version released in 23 year. 25 released in 25 year. Hey, it's matching. 25, 25. Okay. You no need to remember. Tell me, each long-term support is coming. How many years gap? How many years gap? Every 2 years. Am I right? Actually, initially Sun Microsystem decided to release long-term support version for every 3 years. But they changed their mind and every 2 years they're releasing the long-term support version. 3 years and it's become very big gap. Okay. So that's why they have given 2 years gap. Every 2 years we are going to get long-term support version. Okay. 25. Now Java 29 is actually the next planned long-term support is Java 29 version expected in 2029. Okay, they are taking 4 years. Okay, following Oracle's predictable 2-year LTS cadence. 2 years. For 25 to 2 years means 27. No? Okay, these points collected from Google Calendar. Okay, no problem. So don't worry about this. Next. Java 9 to 10, 12 to 16, 18 to 20, 22 to 24 were what versions? Non-long-term support feature releases with a shorter 6-month lifestyle. If you remember, I told you in the class, what is that? Every new version will come. 6 years gap. Okay. From which version onwards this 6 months release cadence is introduced? From the 10. Okay. 10 version onwards. 10 to 11. 6 months. 11 to 12, 6 months. Every 6 months you will going to get. Next, what are the 6 months means? March and September. So every year, March and September, we are getting 2 versions. So this is the flow. So the first point we have understood, Java 25 version released in the year what? 2025, September 16, 2025. The next, Java 21 previous long-term support version released in the 2023. Okay, now maximum companies projects are on Java 8. Now they are migrating to Java 11 or 17 or 21. No company will migrate to 25. Okay, na? So currently they don't dare to go to 25 up to 21. Why they don't go to 25? I will tell you the reasons. Okay, next, look at here. Every version has an end of life. Okay, non-long-term support version has an end of life just 6 months. Next version coming, automatically it is declared as what? End of the life. Okay, now comes to the point, Java long-term support versions are also having end of the life. What is the end of the life? Java 8 version from November 26, it will not available to download and use. It will killed. Then every company is forcible to go to where now? Java 11. So Java 11 long-term support will be killed by 2027. After 2027, look at there. 11 and 17, both are having end of the life at the same date. Understand now? My point is correct. Whenever you migrate to Java 11, you don't get much benefit. That's why people are prefer to go to what? 17. Look at there. Indirectly, the Oracle Corporation also forcing people migrate from 11 to 17. Don't go to 11. 8 to 17. Then up to 2027, end of the life is there. Okay. When you plan to 17 moving, there is no much benefits. That's why people are going to where? 21. It is having end of the life 2029. Okay, na? Then slowly end of the life concept also will be applied to long-term support. Fine. So everyone understand this topic? Long-term support, non-long-term support meaning understood? When new release is introduced, old releases are not available to download, then we call it as non-long-term support. If the version is still available to download, old version is still available to download, then it is called long-term support version. According to Sun Microsystem documents, every new long-term support will come 2 years or 3 years gap, 2 to 3 years gap, it will be there to release. Okay, from Java 11 to Java 25, we are getting every 2 years gap, one long-term support version we are getting. Okay, then how many long-term support is there currently by Oracle? 5, 8, 11, 17, 21, 25. Okay, then is it recommended to migrate to 11? No, migrate to 17. How can you say that 11 to 17 features, there are no permanent? 11, there are all preview features only there, much benefit is not there. That's why 17 if you go, I'll get all features. And how can you prove my point? End of the date for both versions are same. End of the support, both versions are same. Okay, fine. Then next version, very important point. Sir, in my system, which version I have to install and use, sir? That is very interesting question, right? My recommendation is install Java 21 version, also 25 version. Okay, now first you compile the program, set permanent settings. Okay, permanent settings with what? Java 21. And after you understand the concept, every program, start from hello world program, every program after compiling with Java 21, also compile and execute with Java 25 version. Okay, otherwise, if you already having knowledge on Java 21, then install Java 25. Directly every program compile and execute by using Java 25. So I am teaching the latest batches, all new batches by using Java 25 new features, so that what are the changes coming, I can also know from compiler point of errors or anything is coming. Because already I know Java 21 version clearly. So I have upgraded to Java 25. My system, I have installed Java version 25. Is it clear? In advanced Java, I am using other versions like Tomcat, I am using Oracle, I am using. That time, the version mismatch problems are coming. That time, I will set my path, set my Java path to what? JDK 21, JDK 21. Then I will use the servlet programs, JSP programs, and JDBC programs. I'll compile by using Java 21 version. Core Java, I am teaching with Java 25. Advanced Java, I am teaching with Java 25. 21 because there is a version compatibility problems are coming. Okay, so this is what I am doing. I am requesting all the people also do the same. So this is first point completed, Java 25 version release date. Everyone comfortable? So what are the main points we understood? LTS, non-LTS. How many LTS are there? What is the latest LTS? And what is the stable LTS? Okay, companies who are using Java 8 version, they have to migrate directly to 21 version, not middle 11 or 17. If you are already working employee in the company, please recommend to your company managers to move to 21 version. Okay, clear? Then now in Java 25 version, what are the important features? Okay, tell me now, if you take C developer, why they need to stop support? Why, you have already one vehicle, AAR. You have already one vehicle is there. You want to buy the second vehicle. Will you sell this vehicle or will you keep this vehicle also now? Parking problem will come, maintenance problem will come. If you are using this vehicle, you have to pay what a month yearly insurance you have to pay, petrol you have to pay, then two vehicles insurance you are paying, maintenance is increasing, this vehicle service you have to do, this vehicle service you have to do, maintenance cost is increasing or not. That's why old versions will be discarded, forcing people to come to a new version. Understood why they are stopping old versions? Yeah, AI support is there from 25 itself. AI means what? Just writing the code and libraries, na? So the code libraries for writing for AI support is slowly providing from 25 version itself. Okay? Everyone, listen. Any of you are from C language? Do you know C language? Anybody know C language? In colleges, most of people know C language. In C language, how can you write a program? You write any class name? No. Directly you write what function? Void main of, right? Void main of, directly you write. But before that, you have write something called hash include stdio io.h, stdio.h, next hash include what conio.h, right? This extra header files importing, then following by main method. Inside you are writing what? Print f of double quotes, hello world, hi, something you are writing. This is your C language program. Is it clear? Then obviously, Mr. RS, previous version features will be there in the next versions. Am I right? Previous version features will be there in the next version. You studied LKG knowledge you are using in UKG now. 10th class knowledge you are using intermediate. BTech first year knowledge you are using BTech second year. This Java knowledge you are using in advanced Java. Okay. Next. Everyone look at here. Now, Python if you take. Anybody know Python? Python. Anybody know Python? Python is okay, observe, C language. C language is what? Programming language. It's a program, structure is there. That's why it's called structured programming language. Python is a structured programming language. It is a multi-paradigm programming language. Python is a multi-paradigm programming language. What is C language? C language is a structured programming language. Let me take shortcut PL. Okay, na? Then what is a Python? Python is a multi-paradigm programming language. What is the meaning of paradigm? Paradigm means style of programming, different styles of programming. Python supports number 1, scripting style. Number 2, structured style. Number 3, object-oriented programming style. Okay. Number 4, functional programming style. Number 5, modular programming style. Functional and then what do you call? Modular. There are different 5 types of programming it's supporting. It's supporting, but it is more popular for what? Scripting style. Okay. If you join Python demo classes or Python course, your Python faculty also introduce, introduce Python course, start from where? Scripting only. And they will say Python is very, very, very easy in the demo classes. Yes or no? Why? Python program, if you want to write something hi.py, simply you write print of hi. That's all, khatam, completed. This is Python program. Okay, now you no need to write anything. Like in C language, you no need to write hash include. You no need to write conio, std, void main, nothing. There is no need to write anything, because why? This C language style is what? Structured style. But Java language style, Python language style is what? Scripting style. That's why this is a scripting style. Only write directly code, whatever you want. If you want a structured style, you have to go to C style. What is that? You write it inside a method. What is that method? Void main of, but here you write question. Here we don't use void, we use something called special syntax called what? Def main, parenthesis, colon, and then print you write. Tell me, this is what? Structured style. But your Python faculties will not introduce Python from the structured style C comparison. They will introduce with what? Syntax, scripting style, and say that Python is easy, Python is. Is it really? No. Okay, realize that. And then next, if you want to use Python from the Java, object-oriented programming style, what do you write? Class you write. Class, wish, colon. Inside what you write? Def main. Inside you write what? Print. This is what? Object-oriented style. Tell me now, Java, Python, now both are looking same or not? But only just in place of open bracket, they are using what? Colon. Tell me, people are doing wrong comparison now. Everyone realize that? People are doing wrong comparison. So the clarity is what? Python is a scripting structured object-oriented functional modular. Okay, functional modular, no need to discuss now. So this is a C language. This is C language style of writing. This is Python style of writing. And now Python has started getting boom from 2018 because of COVID. Okay, because of COVID, because of, I can say, digital marketing mode. Okay, there is another story I will teach you later. Digital marketing purpose, okay, online ads purpose, online ads display purpose. Python started getting boom from 2018. From COVID, it got more boom. Okay, then, so people have started comparing Java with Java versus, people have started using Java versus Python. Then slowly, people are saying Python taking market, Java not taking market. People are saying Java very difficult, Python is very easy. Why? First they will compare with class. Look at there. Class, what is the class? Class name, hi, open bracket. You have to write public, static, void, main. Okay, public static void main of string array args open bracket closed bracket. Oh my god, how much verbose code you are writing? How much verbose code? Verbose and more detailed nonsense code you are writing. This much code. See, Java is how much difficult. See, Python is how much easy. You are comparing Python with what syntax? Scripting syntax. You are comparing Python scripting syntax with Java syntax. That is a wrong comparison. Wrong comparison. Yes or no? Then people, if you really want object-oriented programming style, class is there. Java is also having class. Python is also having class. Java is having method. Python is also having method. Is it clear, Nana? Then SOPL and SOPL. So people have started comparing Python with Java and saying that it is difficult. Then in Java 21 version, they have introduced a new concept called, what is the new concept? In Java 21 version, they have introduced a new concept called, actually it is given in Java 21 as a preview feature. What is the name? Compact source files and instance main method. What is the feature name? Compact source file and instance main methods. This is the feature is given. Which version? Java 21. It is given as a preview feature and later it's made as permanent in Java 25 version. So in Java 25 version, the first feature is compact source file and instance main method. Then what Sun Microsystem telling? Okay, Hari Krishna and other people people, I understood that you people are compiling Java with Python and Java with what you call C language and saying that it's very difficult, very difficult. Okay, I understood, accepting your request. Okay, this extra verbose I am removing. First topic I'm introducing instance methods. First point I'm talking about instance main method. What the meaning of instance main method? Okay, you are feeling difficult of public static. Isko remove karo. Okay, and next you are also feeling difficult to understand string array args. Okay, this one also remove. From Java 25 version onwards, you can write main method like this shortcut. Wow, super na? Public, static, string array, args, all no need to write. Like in C language, you can write simply void main. Hello, this is static method or non-static method? Non-static, because static keyword is not there. There is no static keyword. It's a non-static method. Non-static method means what is this method? Instance method. From Java 25 version onwards, you can create a main method without public, without static, without parameter. Everyone understood? This is the first point. So verbose is removed. What is the verbose? Extra large syntax. Okay, in demo class, now morning 9 o'clock, I have started a new batch last week. There also students are asking, sir, first you explain public, static, string arrays, why you have written. I used to say, Babu, you cannot understand. Next classes, you will understand. Okay, if I use Java 25 version, then I no need to explain anything. Simply main void will come. Excellent, Satvinder Singh. Super, super, super. That is what I am expecting. Your participation involvement is more important. Sir, if it is an instance method, how JVM can call? Tell me. Now, let me write. Up to Java 24 version. Up to Java 24 version. What main method is a that's what your involvement. When I'm talking something, if you are parallelly thinking, then you will get understanding super and you'll get goosebumps yourself. My answer is correct. What is the main method? Is a static method. Then it JVM calls. What a JVM calls static main method by using class name. What is the name of the class? Hi. Let me take hi place what example. I'm taking high place example. How it called previously? Example dot main of. It should create string array object with 0 index capacity. Compulsory array object is created. Okay, like as below, like this it is called. Now tell me, from Java 25 version, everyone tell me, from Java 25 version onwards, main method is a static or non-static? Non-static method. Then JVM calls, what? Non-static main method. How? By creating object of this class. Yes or no? Object of this class. Super, super. That's called involvement. Okay. If your involvement is more, I'll more excited to teach more points. Isn't it? Based on your inputs, I can go to the next point. And tell me, class name data, object name data, object name, new example parenthesis dot main. Tell me, now string array is passing or not passing? Not passing. Why? Because no parameter, na? This is Java 25 version, up to Java 24 version calling. This is from Java 25 version calling. Okay, shall I type this program in system and explain? Shall we try whether it is executing or not? Okay, now let me open edit plus Java program. Tell me, I'm taking class example, main method, remove public, remove static, void, remove parameter. Okay, then now what you write? System.out.println, hello world. Save it. D drive, create a workshop name, Java 25 version workshop. Open this. You're not to version 25 version. Am I going fast? All people are in sync? Example.java. Rajnaik, not following. Satyam, if you want to take command line arguments, you write string array args, old style. Okay? Old style, follow old style. If you overload the main method, then yeah, we'll come point by point. Thank you for asking questions. Okay, we'll go point by point. Then first point and second point. You keep post your doubts in the chat window. I am going to see and we'll implement every question. I'll implement. Already ready with my questions, but I'll also take your questions. Obviously, you have to download JDK 25, Babu. Open command prompt. Open command prompt. D colon. What is it? CD. Yeah, it's a default accessibility modifier. I'll show that one also. Java 25. Okay, clear screen. Java C example.java. Java 25 WhatsApp. Okay, compile successfully. Java example executed. Look at that output coming like earlier. Default access modifier scope is package. That is what you call, you are giving your program to JVM memory, na? In JVM memory, main method have that assumption. Compiler software is changed accordingly. Compiler software got changed accordingly. Understand? First point you tell me everyone. What is that? From Java 25 version onwards, we can create main method without public static and main method. We can directly write void main. Because it is a void main, it become what? Non-static method. Then how non-static method can be executed? By calling it by using object. JVM calls non-static main method by creating object of this class like this. New example dot main, not passing any arguments. So point number one completed. Now your doubts I want to take. What is our doubt? First my doubt is maybe you are creating as a non-static. Listen. You are creating as a non-static. Maybe compiler software implicitly converting as a public static. Do you remember interface? In interface, inside interface, if you create a method void m1, compiler software convert it as what? Public abstract, public abstract void m1. Remember? Okay. Now, if you write what one non-static variable here int x equal to 10, compiler software implicitly it will convert it as public static final what is that int x equal to 10. Remember like how it is changing. Similarly for my class example also compiler implicitly converting. How do I know? How can I check? Simple. Java P, there is a special command called what? Java P space hyphen verbose. Java P space hyphen verbose example. Dekho, compiler software show that big bytecode. Sorry, here verbose is not required. Let me remove verbose only because it's declarational. I want to check na Java P exam. Look at that. Main method is done. Any change public static string arrays added or not added? Not added. Understand that? So compiler doing no changes. It is leaving as it is. Hence, this main method is called by using class object. Okay, na? Now, you may ask me question. So, first question number one. What is the compiler? Okay, now here question number one, JVM internal calling. Then question number two, compiler changes. Compiler doing any change or no change? No change. Method. Then JVM calls main method by creating object of this class. Okay, super. Then prove it. Tell me. Okay, I always ask proof. Okay, prove that JVM creating object to call this method. Okay, how can you prove? Anybody know? For Java, prove that JVM creating object to call non-static main method. How can I prove? Very simple. Every non-static method contain here this keyword, na? Yes or no? Print this keyword. plus this. If it is a non-static method, definitely what will be there? This keyword will be there. Clear screen, Java C, what do you call? Example.java, compile, Java example. Dekho. Hey, this keyword is pointing to example at the 25 alias 69 Kavita, ayyo, you forgot a previous point. Simplifying Java language for beginners like C language. You people are coming from where? First language you are learning in your college, what? C. Okay, C language you are feeling what? Void main. Next semester you are learning what? Python. From C, Python, Gen you are coming what? Java. And if people are feeling, oh my God, Java is very difficult. Extra verbose is there. Right? Hence, to make new beginners feel easy, Java language is easy, they have introduced C and Python style of program development. Understand? Verbose, Java language beginner level verbose concepts are eliminated. Okay, clear? Look at that. So for that, main method first simplified. Okay, the next point. Now, some people have asked me question. First point I proved, this is. Then, now tell me. Here, I am writing public static void main of, okay, void main of string array args. I have old main method, new main method, both I have placed. Okay, this is non-static main method. Okay, both main methods I am writing. What compiler will do, let us understand. You remember where arg concept? Where arg? Where arg is the alternative for what? Array. If you write two methods with a dot syntax and square bracket syntax with the same data type, compiler throw error. Compiler give akshintal, right? Let's see if I give Java 25 version main method, our old main method, if I write both, what it will do, let us see. Is it compiled or not compiled? Okay. Java C example, Java C example.java. Compiled or not compiled? Hey, mummy, compiled. No compiled error. Java, why? From compiler point of view, it's a overloaded method, na? From compiler point of view, main method is just a method. From compiler point of view, main method is a just a method. So it is a main and this also main. Now it is different parameter overloaded. A overloaded method can have static and public. You can add static, increase accessibility modifier. So compiler point of view, no problem. Tell me, JVM point of view, any problem or no problem? Satyam Varma, super, excellent. Come on, everyone. JVM has ambiguous or no ambiguous? JVM has a problem or no problem? Okay, Java follows backward compatibility. Java follows backward compatibility. Okay, that is a standard promise of backward compatibility. Okay, let us try to see. Will Java execute new main method or old main method or throw error? Three options we have. According to Java, they have given a promise from Java 1.0 onward. They given a promise called what? Backward compatibility. Old version JVM, if you take, we can overload main method. In old versions also, we can overload main method. Always JVM execute what? Public static void main of string array parameter main method is executed. Okay, old versions JVM always execute public static main method. In old versions also we can overload main method. If you overload main method, which main method executed? Public static void main of string array. Then you are using Java 25 version, means old versions features must be work or new features should come, old features should work. Then what is the output we will get? Non-static main method or static main method? Static main method will come the output. Wow, super. So tell me, Java standing on its promise, I will support backward compatibility. Up to Java 24 version, we have executed public static void main method. Okay, then Java 25, we have added a new feature. If old is not there, then the new feature will work. Are you following my point? Both methods, if you write, old main method is executed. If you write only new method, then new method is executed, no problem. Understand, buddy? Everyone, these are all the interview questions in Java 25 version. If company is conducting the interview, then these are all the new questions. Non-static main method, example. If you add static method, then clear screen. No confusion to compiler, no confusion to JVM. JVM follows backward compatibility, executes old main method. You want to execute new main method. Excellent. Call from this main method. If you have M1 method, now JVM consider this main method as a user-defined method. Okay, if you want to execute this main method, you have to execute consider as a user-defined method. Create object by your own. New example of it is a non-static method. So you call by your own main of old style. Okay, if you add old style only follow Satyam Varma. Understood? Look at that. Static JVM call static main method and you call non-static main method. Yeah, Rajat Raj, you can have multiple main methods. Compiler don't have confusion. JVM don't have confusion. JVM by default calls which main method? Main of string array. If main of string array is not available, 21 version throw compile time error. Observe, let me check. Set path equal to C:// JDK21/bin. Then if I use this one, compile java c example.java. Look at that. It's compiled, but now I got execution error. Main method not found in the class. Please define main method as public static void main string arrays. Is it clear? Up to from Java 25 version only, this main method considered as main. Before that, not there. That means in JVM, how many main methods are calling? 2. First priority to static main method. Second priority to non-static main method. This is Java 21 version, old version. Colorado. You didn't notice this point. If I use Java 21 version, this main method, we will get error. Okay. Now changing set path equal to C:// JDK25/bin. Now compile, no compile, execute, you got main method, non-static main method you got. So this is the interesting point. Hope you all understood. All points covered under main method. Prove that JVM. Now what is the answer? Print this keyword in non-static main method. Question number 4. Can we have the old main method main of string array args? What is your answer? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Yes. No compile time error. Comma. No runtime error. Okay then. Question number 5. Which main method is executed? Which main method executed? As per backward compatibility, the old main method public static void main of string array args is executed. Okay. Now I have a question. Now because here this point is coming. Suppose if I remove public static, I have written void main of string array args. Then let's see what happens. Is it compiled or not? Executed or not? Okay. Which version I am using? 25 version only. Okay. Which version I am using? 25 version only I am using. Clear screen. Now Java C example.java compiled. Okay. Execute. Which main method executed? Let's see. Which main method executed? Hey, surprised. Which main method executed? Did you notice? I have removed public static. Okay, I removed public static. I'm taking what? only string array parameter main method I have used. Then which main method executed? Compile, I saved already, right? Execute, which main method coming? Static main method. Old main method come. This is the got I doubt. Okay, na? So what is the point? Now, question number 6. Okay. If we remove public and static to old main method, is there any error? What the answer? No error. Okay? No error. JVM executes which main method? This old main method. What the meaning? Main of string array parameter method has first prior. Everyone okay na? So many points I'm telling her. Is it okay na? I'll remove na. Are public static you remove, only public remove. There is no difference, no buddy. Okay na? No confusion na? Sir, these many points if you teach, how can you remember, sir? Now the doubt. Next doubt. Void place I'm writing int. Or if you write only void main, both become same signature. Compiler throw error na? Kaila Rathod. Same signature methods, how can I create? Now tell me. If you remove while, which one, man? Himish. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? If you remove public and static to old main method, means main of string parameter. Why? It's a overloaded method only. Because overloading is depending on parameter, na? Understood? No error. JVM executes old main method. Main of string array parameter method has first priority. Clear? Doubts clear? 6th question doubt clear? Now next question I'm asking. If I write return type int, then what happens? Old version compiler throw error because JVM throw error, main method return type should be void. Tell me, if I have two main methods, main of no parameter, main of string array parameter, which is the first priority? Main of string array is the first priority. Okay. Then my question is, if its return type is int, not allowed. I am guessing there may be, I didn't check, now only I am checking, maybe it throwing exception. Java C example.java compiler doesn't have any objection. Let's see JVM how it responds. Which version we are using? 21 or 25? 25. Dekho. Which version executing? 25 came into picture. Means if the return type is different, then main of string executed, no parameter main executed, no parameter main. Super. This point, 21 version compile time error, 25 version no compile time error. If we change return type for old main method, then what happened? If you change the return type, that is not our regular main method, right? Then what happened? Non-static main method is executed. Understand? Suppose if I remove this non-static main method, only I change the return type here. Then what happened? No compile time error. Then what happened? JVM throw exception, main method not found. Main method not found, define the main method like this. Understood? If non-static main method is not available, It leads to what? Exception. Hope everyone understood about main method. These are the points about main method sufficient. More points we discussed. All points we, not more points, all points we discussed. So please confirm, buddy. Everyone understood? Let me also check once YouTube live. Seems to be YouTube live is there. Are there any doubts asking in YouTube live? Yeah. Online YouTube live students, Daniel, yes, your point is correct. It supports both old and new methods. So first priority to old method. If you do any syntax difference in old method, then it takes first method. Okay. Please tell again last 2 points. What are the 2 points doubts, man? If you remove public static, then still priority to old method. If you change return type, then it will comes to new method, non-static main method. Okay, na? Durga Sisindri. Can we write static void? Yes. Public static is not public or static. Both remove, one of them remove, it's okay. Yes, correct. And now, let me understand compact to source file. Tell me, still you are having what? Class example. If you write class example, still problem is there. Okay, 1 minute. One more I want. Okay, then same program I am taking. Observe, same program I am taking. Surprise is coming now. What is this? Compact to source file. What is the meaning of compact to source file? Compact to source file is nothing but you are creating source file with what name? Example.java. Inside this example.java source file, okay, from Java 25 version onwards, isko remove karo, isko bhi remove karo. Directly we can write method. From Java 25 version onwards, we can write the method directly. No need to use the class. Understood that? Which style? C language style. Okay, na? Structured programming style, C language style. No class, no hash included, nothing. Completely removed. Only directly write method. That class to all. That means Java is now supporting structured programming style or not? No class, nothing. Directly structured programming style. Now, what do you write now? Alt Fn, Java. What do you write now here? No class. Remove the class. Then now directly write what? Void main of no string array args. Okay, look at that. How much verbose is removed? How much verbose is eliminated? Save it with what name? Sample.java. Okay, clear? Now go to command prompt. Clear screen. Java C. What do you write? Sample.java compile. Okay, Java sample. Dekho, no compile time error, no runtime error. Output is coming. Hello world. So tell me from Java 25 version onwards, you can climb to the C language developers and Python developers. Array, my programming language also given a shortcut survey. You can remove verbose. Now there is no chance to the Python faculties to claim, oh, Java is verbose programming language. Okay, we are also getting all features. Then listen. Sir, if it is just a method, how it is executing, sir? But Java is object oriented. What compiler doing internally? Check yourself. Guess. Java P sample background dot class file generated or not generated? When I compile Java background, generate the dot class file. Let's see, dot class file generated or not. If generated, what is the dot class file name? What is the class name? Look at here. Go here. What is that version? Java 25 workshop. Observe dot Java file got what? Dot class. Wow. Oh, compiler software implicitly generating the class for you. Java cannot work without dot class, no. Java P sample, Java P sample. Observe, you didn't write the class, but compiler has generated the class. Final class sample. This class is what class? Final. Can I write subclass from this class? No. Final class, constructor is there, and your main method is there. Everyone understand? Okay. Then now I have a question. Can I create my own user defined methods? Static void m1 open bracket closed bracket system dot out dot println of double quotes m1. Okay. Next, can I create non-static method? Listen. Can I create non-static method? Okay. Can I create non-static method M2? Now first I want compile it and see whether it's compiled. Okay. Let me take this as what? Main method. Okay. This is main. Save it. Go to command prompt. Clear screen. When there is no, what do you call class, can I create multiple methods here? Let's see compile. Compile or not? Let's see. Compile. Executed. Yes. Which is executed only? Main. If you want execute M1, like static method call. Static method you can call directly or not? Yes. Call it. Java C sample.java. Compile successfully. Executed. Next, M2 method non-static. Main method is also non-static. Can I call non-static method directly? Yes. Compile and then execute. Wow. Tell me, this is a Python style. Okay, Python people structured programming they want to develop. This is second one. Scripting style is not given to Java yet, but now structured style. That means what? Second style, structured style. Def, main, open, colon. Tell me, this is Python structured style is easily understand. Python Java style is easily understand. Java style is understand because clear structure is there, open bracket, closed bracket. If any Python faculty or Python student is saying, hey, your Java very tough, call them and slap them and say that, array, dekho ra bhai. Like Python, in Python, you are writing a function. This is called function. Function are writing def method colon ra. But my Java is providing what? Return type. Clear. What is def? Def place what? Return type. Method name open bracket. More descriptive is provided here. Okay. Then tell me, you wanted to develop Java program structured style. Develop. You want to develop Java program object oriented style. Develop. Both are possible. Understand? Everybody got clarity here? Everyone? Tell me, now can you practice it and explain to your friends? Can you practice and explain to your friends clearly? Our Java is also becoming day by day simplified program. Already Java is simple, sir. Unnecessary people are not understand properly and claiming Java tough. Java is the most easy simplified programming language. Okay, people has created confusion. M2 method is non-static method. Yes, can you call non-static method from non-static method? Na? Sonu Kumar. Next. Now I have a question. Sir, still this system.out is verbose, na sir? Okay. Yes. Now let me tell you one secret. Still verbose, sir. Still verbose is there. Okay. Remove the class. Class is not required. Remove this main static, not required. Remove this string array, not required. Dekho. System.out. If I remove directly, tell me, println belongs to one class, na? If you want to access this, I need one class, right? Without class, we cannot access. There is a class called IO. In Java 25 version, okay? In Java 25 version, they have given a new class called IO, input output class in java.lang package IO.println hello world. Save it with the name abc.java. Then go to command prompt, clear screen, Java C, abc.java compile. No, extra bracket is coming. Clear screen, Java C abc.java compile. Then Java ABC. Observe output coming. Hello world. Tell me now. I no need to write system.out now onwards. Okay. Next, one more surprise is waiting for you. Sir, I want read data from the keyword. IO is not a package. Small IO is package. Capital IO is a class name. I want read data from the keyboard, sir. Okay. How to read? Write a message here to the user. System.out.print of double quotes. Enter username colon. Then what do you write? What do you call string username equal to deco IO dot. There is a method called read line. Read Elena, read line. Now let me check once. I need to check once. I forgot. Okay, let's see if it is not compiled. We'll see. Read ln or read line. Okay. 1 minute. Let me check now. Java p java dot io dot java dot lang dot io. What method name? Read ln. Yeah. Read ln only. Print ln, read ln. And then system dot out dot print ln double quotes. You entered username plus username. Tell me now, from Java 25 version onwards, no import scanner. Yes or no? No import scanner. Directly compile it. Just one prompt message, read data. Compile and then execute Java ABC. There, enter username. Hurry. You enter username. So all three features understood? All 3 points is clear. What is this? Java.lang.io class simplified way of printing and reading data. No system.out. What the feature name? No system.out. What is the coming? Java.io.class. No system.out. Entry of Java.io class. Simplified way of reading data. No system.out and scan up. Okay. Entry of. Okay. Hero entry. Then program is this. So hope you enjoyed this workshop today class. Everyone? That one you have to follow wrapper classes. You have to bring wrapper classes back. If you want read integer, other type, you have to use wrapper classes. What is your doubt, man? Java 8 certification, don't do. That's Jamana column back over. Okay. And now I need to go. It's already high time. If you have any doubts on this today topic, 9010-454584. Please message to this number. My number. Okay, please message to this number. Hope all enjoyed today 1 hour class. Comfortable? How to get these notes? In YouTube already video there, right from the YouTube video. Okay. Thank you. See you all in the next workshop. Soon I will announce next workshop. No. This workshop is only today. Tomorrow if I can take, I will announce. Okay, 11 is it. And these 4 now. Hope you all enjoyed today class. For data science, Python. Application development, Java. More jobs on Java. Thank you. Okay, please send message on my number if you have any doubts.